The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 launched yesterday, and early reviewers have already put out some videos, and it seems like a really good product, but there's just one problem. A product like the DJI Pocket has never really been mainstream. This is a niche product, and the problem with that is most people that are going to be able to justify the cost of this product will likely be enthusiasts and people that are looking for a specific capability or feature that only this camera offers. It's like I have to justify it, but deep down I know that this camera has no business costing as much as it does. And fair enough, we live in the age of soaring inflation and prices of goods are as high as they've ever been, but really? The people that are going to be able to justify the high cost with the larger 1-inch sensor and the fine details and better image quality are a niche audience and not the general consumer. When a regular consumer walks into a store looking for a compact personal camera to vlog and create content, are they going to pick this one? I reckon they simply just aren't. There are plenty of compacts and point-and shoots out there that cost less, and some that even have 1-inch sensors too and have better optics. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is priced at $520 for just the camera on its own. As a matter of fact, great options like the Sony ZV-1F can be picked up at Amazon right now for $500, and that too has a 1-inch sensor. Or even the Canon V10 PowerShot, which is also a content creator focused camera with a 1-inch sensor. The V10 can be picked up at Amazon right now for $430. The list really goes on, and I think you can clearly see where I'm going with this. This is a category that is not lacking when it comes to options. The creator combo comes out at a wallet-ripping $670, and I know you get a lot for that, but again, it's always the buts. The Pocket 3 is straight up overpriced. So now this product simply has to be the absolute best at almost everything it does to justify that price tag for it to be a success. I can't wait to review it and play around with it, but I swear to God, if this camera is not good, I am going to go crazy. Don't get me wrong, this has been a highly anticipated product, and I really wouldn't have bought one myself if I didn't think it was a great camera. And I know a lot of people are going to argue that it still has more features than most compact point-and-shoots, but these are super fine margins we're talking here. How important is a 3-axis gimbal to the average consumer or content creator? How important is 10-bit or 4K 120 FPS? Personally, I don't think that's something that's going to be super important to a lot of people. Which is why I strongly believe that DJI could have been way less aggressive with pricing to really make this product a slam dunk no-brainer. Clicking that complete order button hurt a little, and mind you, on this side of the pond, here in Australia, the creator combo cost me over 1,100 Australian dollars. Thanks for watching, and for those of you interested in the full review when I get my delivery, then make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. I'll catch you folks in the next one.